Yes.
Only 3 days after the Council of Governors march to Supreme Court, today, senators led by Speaker Ken Lusaka, Majority Leader Kipchumba Murkomen, and his minority counterpart James Orengo proceeded to Milimani Constitutional and Human Rights Court to protest against enactment of 24 bills into law without their involvement. In their petition filed before Judge Weldon Korir, senators want the 24 bills, including the Finance Act of 2018, the Tax Law Amendment of 2018, the National Government Constituency Development Fund Act of 2015, among other laws, be revoked.
The country has been denied the benefit of essential laws emanating from the Senate, which have sought to implement the strengthen the devolved system of government, which the National Assembly has failed to consider.
Kuna watu bado wana ile kasumba ya kufikiri kwamba tuna bunge moja na bunge hilo ni bunge la kitaifa. Bado hawajakubaliana na mchakato ambao upo na pia vipengele vya katiba kwamba tuna bunge kuna nyumba mbili za bunge moja.
In 2013, the Supreme Court advised on inclusion of the Senate Assembly in enactment of bills affecting county governments after supremacy battle between the National and Senate Assembly.
When institutions don't work in accordance with the law, that is the beginning of the collapse of the rule of law.
The Senate seeks to set out the correct position in law on the issues that have arisen in the legislative process to ensure that devolution is not jeopardized through the lawmaking process and to promote the integrity and sanctity of the bicameral structure of Parliament.
In the submissions before Judge Weldon Korir, Senior Counsel James Orengo included an affidavit of a letter dated 3rd of July this year from the State House to the Attorney General, directing him to initiate an urgent political process to enact division of revenue bill into law to authorize withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Fund. In his response, dated 9th of July this year, the Attorney General wrote to clerks of both houses and the National Treasury for inquiry before acting on the directive from the State House.
You cannot enact any law without compliance with Article 110 sub-Article 3 of the Constitution.
Kila mtu asubuhi huamka kwenye county, hulala kwenye county. Hata Nairobi ambalo ni jiji kuu la Kenya bado ni county.
As supremacy battles between the National Assembly and the Senate Assembly intensifies, now the senators will have to wait until 29th of this month for the 3-judge bench proposed by Judge Weldon Korir offers its directives. And meanwhile, according to the senators, the 24 bills enacted into law without their involvement are considered unconstitutional, null and void. Jeremy, West TV, Nairobi.